And here is the detail of how to adjust the PRS cross-linked pump to ensure optimal performance.
To start, let's remove the safety mechanism. Take out the pin, adjust the lever slightly, and push out the inner pin carefully. This will ensure the complete removal of the safety and readiness of the device for use without any obstructions or potential hazards. We rotate it and then select the interaxle that interests us. We put the lever back in its original position where it was initially. And we set the same interaxle distance that we have selected on the lever, in this case 18. We select 18 and insert it inside.
Very important. Always ensure that the interaxle distance is set to the same value on both the pin and the lever. Otherwise, the pump may work in a misaligned manner and consequently experience a loss in performance. Is everything shut?
Close everything up and put the safety back on. Always ensure that the spring is functioning properly, otherwise the pin has the potential to come loose and cause issues. If the spring is worn out, you can inquire with us, the sellers of the spare part.
We don't sell to public but have many retailers. As a tech, do you recommend interaxle distances of 17, 19 or 18 for the track? Depends on rider. Which tracks?
It depends on the rider. We recommend a shorter interaxle distance for those who want to have more control over braking, because a shorter interaxle distance has a longer stroke and requires less force on the lever. A greater interaxle distance gives the feeling of having more responsive control, but the travel will be shorter. However, more force will be needed on the lever. Thank you all.